We come now to the awarding ceremony for the men in the under 90 kilo category. The medals are being presented by the IJF refereeing director, Mr. Bernd Achilles. And the first of the bronze medals goes to Mamadi Mediev of Azerbaijan. His teammate also picks up a bronze medal, Turel Safguliev. The silver medal goes to Nemanja Majdov of Serbia. He's having a chat with Mr. Achilles. The gold medal goes to Komronšoh Ustopirjón of Tajikistan.
I think Mr. Achilles is probably saying a little bit of tactical play there just backfired on you, because played with the rules like that, and well, 50-50. Ustopirjón taking advantage and coming out with the gold. But good to see there that Tu Azir is on the rostrum.
He's been on the receiving end of a few of those himself, Ustopirjón, when he's run, run the risk.
Good message to everybody, I think.
Don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it.
Yes, Neil, don't do it. You want to avoid it, don't get involved.
Do it. Yeah.
Now the national anthem of Tajikistan. Mediev and Safguliev were the bronze medalists. Majdov took the silver. Ustopirjón tops the podium with gold.